Question number 1. Which of the following was not one of Akbar's Navaratnas? Correct answer is option D, Amir Khusro. Question number 2. Who discovered oxygen? Correct answer is option B, Joseph Priestley. Question number 3. Who called the Indian Constitution quasi-federal? Correct answer is option C, K.C. Weyeri. Question number 4. How many subjects are currently in the state list? Correct answer is option B, 61. Question number 5. Which of the following was not transferred to the concurrent list by the 42nd Constitutional Amendment? Correct answer is option D, marriage. Question number 6. What is a pocket veto? Correct answer is option C, keeping a bill pending indefinitely by the president. Question number 7. Ulgulan is associated with which revolt? Correct answer is option B, Munda revolt. Question number 8. Who led the Chor rebellion? Correct answer is option C, Durjan Singh. Question number 9. Which region is called the rice bowl of South India? Correct answer is option C, Kaveri Delta. Question number 10. Noctilucent clouds are formed in which atmospheric layer? Correct answer is option C, mesosphere. Question number 11. ITBP was established in which year? Correct answer is option B, 1962. Question number 12. How many cultural UNESCO World Heritage Sites are currently in India? Correct answer is option C, 35. Question number 13. Kangchen Song National Park is located in? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Question number 14. Jabro is a famous folk dance of? Correct answer is option B, Ladakh. Question number 15. Who annexed Anga Mahajanapada into Magadha? Correct answer is option C, Bimbisara. Question number 16. Mango shower in Assam is known as? Correct answer is option B, Bordeauxilla. Question number 17. Who wrote Walking with the Lions, Tales from a Diplomatic Past? Correct answer is option B, K. Natwar Singh. Question number 18. Organisms that make their own food using sunlight are called? Correct answer is option C, autotrophs. Question number 19. How many women were selected for the Padma Awards in 2026? Correct answer is option B, 19. Question number 20. President's rule can be imposed under which article? Correct answer is option B, Article 356. Question number 21. When was the USSR officially dissolved? Correct answer is option B, 26 December 1991. Question number 22. What is the meaning of Ulaanbaatar? Correct answer is option B, Red Hero. Question number 23. What is the capital of Mongolia? Correct answer is option C, Ulaanbaatar. Question number 24. IRDAI headquarters is located at? Correct answer is option C, Hyderabad. Question number 25. Which of the following was transferred to the concurrent list by the 42nd Amendment? Correct answer is option A, education. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.